Viewer, welcome to this session on Tableau, and today I want to show you how to union data in Tableau. And basically union data is a way of combining two or more tables by simply appending the rows on top of each other. And to perform a data union in Tableau, first of all, what you need to do, or rather to have, you need to have a single connection to your data source, and secondly, that data source that you're going to connect to must be of the same structure. And I have an example of a worksheet here, which I can demonstrate particularly what I mean by same structure. If you look at this data is about products and sales and profits for different quarters, and this data has different sheets representing the different quarters. And therefore, if you look at quarter one, the way data has been captured in quarter one is the same way it has been captured in quarter two, quarter three, quarter four. And let's say in a scenario whereby you want to look at the trend of the product as far as our profit is concerned for the different quarters, to be able to answer that question using this data, you need to combine this data. And since the data is of the same structure, the combination here has to be data unioning. And therefore, I'm going to connect this data in Tableau and show to you how union is done in Tableau. And I go to Tableau, and this data is an Excel file located in my desktop, so it's named union data. So I'm going to open it, and you're going to see all the various worksheets within that data are shown here. And to union this data, I'm going just to simply drag the various sheets to a canvas. And to do that, I'll drag the first sheet, which is quarter one, and you can see the details of that worksheet or table. And I'm going to union table, or rather quarter two. And to union, you're just going to drag it under that first connection, and you're going to see some orange color appearing there, and it's telling you drag table U to union. So I'm going to drop it there, and you're going to see the union of quarter two has taken place. And I'll do for the same for the others. See quarter three beginning there, and quarter four, and now all the data has been unioned. And it's always good to look at the tables to confirm that the union has taken place right. Just in case there are some mismatches, you can match them, but for this case the union is right. So let me go to my sheet one and see the trend of the products for different quarters. And to do that, I drag quarter to columns and profit to row share, and then I can bring, let's say, product to color, and I can change to different charts. Let's say a line chart. Basically, you can see all the products made. There was a very high increase in terms of profit for quarter two, and that profit increase continued to quarter three, and then there's some drop, particularly for product A and B. But I can see product C is still increasing a little bit. And therefore, that's basically a very simple example of how you can combine data, but now not in this case by joining or blending, but rather by doing or performing a data union, which is simply appending rows on top of each other and performing analysis. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if it was, please subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to meeting you next time.